I'm very flamboyant with a shorty. She by my side, she on me. I can't lose, so no excuse. So yeah. So I gave her 6 days for July. So I give her 6 days.
What up, y'all? Paul NYC here, and today ignition coils, cause my car got rough idling and stuff like that, and these are stock coils, so we just gonna have to change that today. That's what we doing. So tap in. All right, so where is it at? Got this right here, 27. Take off these. I'm missing these. I mean, I ain't missing these, but you know, they here, whatever. But just unscrew that, right? And I don't always tighten mine all the way because I'm always doing something to it, like the next day. And yeah, take all of these out. Y'all gonna have to take this off, but my thing is already off. See what I'm saying? Like, it's not like screwed in. Pull these tabs down. Pull these tabs down. I'm supposed to be wearing gloves, but it's whatever. Pop this out. Y'all see what I got. Got a fake ticket. It's not fake, but got something right there so they don't bother me. Oh yeah, gotta take this out too. That one is smaller. Look, you got it. Yeah. All right, there we go. Gotta take that out right there. Cool, quick and easy. Put that there so I don't lose it. Next one. Quick and easy so I don't lose that. Put that one right there. Oh, that hit my head. Anyways, y'all see it. Yeah, this is gonna have to get changed in the future, but to take these out, you just pop these tabs up right here. Pop all of them up. Yeah, engine bay is dusty. Like, look at all this dust. Got leaves in here. It's crazy. Pop that up. All of these is up, right? And just pull these tabs out. Some of them will be easy, some of them won't. Like this one, a little bit rough. I don't want to pull on it too hard, but let me just focus on getting the other ones out. The one back there. And with a little bit of prying, I'm telling y'all, this tool right here, this justice, not gonna lie. It really be working. Work for me. So you take these out and boom. See that? Just pull on it and inspect. But I already changed my spark plugs like months ago. And yeah, that was before I even started uploading videos to y'all, stuff like that, whatever, cool. Bert, there goes that.
You a good person, that's all.
You see this? Y'all can see. Y'all see it. Let me make sure y'all really see it. See it? Well, that could be a thumbnail right there.
Sweat, not again.
Yeah, I put my heart in it. Yeah, I put the world in it. Yeah, I gave you. Look, you done told me that you love me and you wanna be with me. Look into my eyes and tell me.
So this is it. Like, when you push it in all the way, make sure the seal is covering it. Y'all can see it right there. This little black seal right there. And then when you push in the connection, the connector, it's gonna always push this down. And then boom. Literally, that is it. So pop these out. Some of these is harder than others, but like, if you're dealing with that issue, pry tool. Also, quick note, if y'all planning on saving these to redo it, just mark it, like mark something. So I'm about to just take this and just put like 1.
Got a full armory on me. Got a full laboratory in the T. She got an arch in her back like a bow. She got a nigga look like me, it's for show. Nigga look like me, it's for show. My heart in it. Got a scat pack, I'm on the road. Counting 1, 2, 3, I gotta go. My shorty is my wife, she not a hoe. Look, you done told me that you love me and you wanna be with me. Look into my eyes and tell me what the hell you see. I ain't playing no games, baby, keep me company. Let me take you out so you could ride on my jet ski. Oh baby, guilty, I sensation, but it's not all of them. Oh baby, take a look again, Vinny, no, oh baby, take a look again, Vinny, no, look, I don't wanna hurt you no more. I just wanna make you lit and so. I just wanna fly around with you, just to have you say
I'm gonna give y'all a good view
everything
too.
I do is for you. All of me is into you. Take a look again, Vinny, no. Take a look again, Vinny, no. Turn yourself around, cause it's 10. You the only girl I want for the end. My body and body, we just close, we just
Alright, so put the cover back. But I just put a little bit of oil in her. Extra because she was running low. And it's hot outside and stuff in this car with that overheating problem. So the day I be out, I don't want it to cause no issues.